Hey guys, and in today's video we will be doing part 2 for the shop in our Scratch shooter game. In the last episode we added this shop button that you can use, but right now the shop doesn't take you anywhere. So in this episode we will be adding buyable things, and because bullets are limited, you'll be able to buy bullet packs in the shop. And from the community poll, the poison darts won to the shop. So what you can do, what I'm thinking is, there will be something you can buy in the shop, and when you press let's say like B or something, you will switch between poison darts and bullets. Okay, so let's get started. So make a new sprite and call it shop items. Then make a orange yellow rectangle. And then I will make it look like a wooden board. Okay, so now that I've designed a board for the pack of bullets, make sure it is centered in the middle of the screen, and then name it pack of bullets 1. Okay, so then what you will do is you'll make a new sprite and call it pack of bullets 2, and then this will be like the highlighted sprite. And so change the outline of it to a yellow and make the outline a bit bigger, and do the same for this one and this one. Okay, so once you've done that, go into the code and say when green flag clicked, hide, and then make when I receive shop, it will create clone of myself, but before that switch costume to pack of bullets 1. Then when I start as a clone, it will go to an X of negative 185 and a Y of 60, and then it will show. So let's see. Yeah, that looks okay. So once you've got that, then you will just forever, if touching mouse pointer, then, and change this into an if else, if mouse down and a switch costume to pack of bullets 2 here, and if mouse down, then it will change bullets by, let's say 50. So change bullets by 50, and then change score by -50, but this is only if score is greater than 49, then it will do that, and in the else, switch costume to pack of bullets 1. So try that now. Doesn't do anything yet. Okay, so when I receive buttons, just delete this clone. Okay, so now if by the bullets, so what I'll do now is also I will just make this go to front layer, and it's just so start it. Okay. And also this one, go to front layer, over here set score to 50, do that, and then now, okay, so that's done that, and now, okay, so we should have changed bullets by 50, but I'm not sure. Okay, go to front layer, set score to 50. Try that. Yep, that's working. So now that we've so when it's receiving play, what it's doing is it is setting bullets to 0. Set bullet. Yep, that's what it's doing. So to fix that, just do a when green flag clicked, set bullets to 50. Okay, so then now what we'll do is we will make a new costume for this, and this one will be poison darts, since that got the most votes in the poll. Poison darts number 1. Change the text outline a bit bolder. So then now what we'll do is we'll design a new bullet. Let's call this one bullet, and then this one poison dart. Okay, so we'll use this to green. So this is poison dart. So then copy this, not the right one, so now we'll just get rid of over the poison dart to here. You can make it a bit smaller, and I will copy and paste this, flip it horizontally, and put it next to that one. So now we've got that. We can duplicate this, make this have an outline of yellow as well. Green, I guess green works because it is poison dart, so I will keep it as green. But that wasn't meant to happen. Okay. You can change it to be however you like. So now that we've got that, we will now use switch costume to poison darts 1, create clone myself when I receive shop, and then use an if, move this over here. If costume number is equal to 1, then it will do that. And a new if costume number is equal to 3, then it will do this, but it will switch costume to pack of bullets 2, and no, poison darts 2 and poison darts 1. And instead of doing this, it will, if score is greater than 249, then it will change score by negative 250. But now what we'll do is we'll make a new list for all sprites and call it items. So then what we'll do is we'll add poison darts to items, and when green flag clicked, it will delete all of items and add bullet to items. So if we show that now, then we'll have bullet in items. And here, if we bought this, then we would have poison darts as well to items. So now go into the bullets, and then but we'll need to have a way to select which is on it, so it will item. Okay, so when I receive play, first just make a new variable and call it item selected. Item selected for all sprites, and back into the shop items. Here it will set item selected to bullet. Okay, so now into the bullet sprite, it will, first of all, let's just make it if key B pressed. If key B pressed, then it will set item selected to poison dart, which it should be the darts in here. So what we can actually do is set item selected to item 2 of items, and in here set item selected to item 1 of items. Okay, so once you've got that, make another if key. We can change this to let B and let's say N, because they're next to each other on the keyboard. If N is pressed, then set item selected to item 1 of items. Okay, so now we will need a when I receive play and forever. Okay, so now when I receive play here, no, we won't actually need this because all that will be the same. So when I start as a clone, it will do all that, but before it shows, we'll need an if item selected is equal to item 1 of items, then it will do all that. But if it's not that, so if it's item 2 of items, then it will still do all that, but before it shows, it will switch costume to bullet and switch costume to poison dart. So once you've got that, let's just test it out. First we'll just hide that, set score to 250. Okay, so score to 250. Okay, so I've bought that now. And then play, so N. What was it again? N. Excellent. Yep, so it is doing that. And now if I press B, it will do that N. It does this. That's good. Okay. Back into this. It should be doing that. Okay, but they're not going to the same. But the two different ones are going to the same place. So that's what's wrong with it. Okay, so here it'll go there. And for this one, if costume number is equal to 3, then let's just go to negative 100. Negative 75. Okay, that works. So now what we'll have to do is we'll code the poison darts now. So what you'll do is, okay, so now in the enemies, we will make a new if item selected is equal to item 2 of items. If item selected is equal to item 2 of items, then it will forever. Wait, we've already got a forever loop, and this will be in the forever loop. So we'll just have to check it out, try it. So then it will It's not doing this forever, so I will just put a forever loop in there. Set color effect to say 30, just to make it look different, and we can put this here, and then wait 1 second, change enemy lives by -1. Okay, so if touching bullet, we can put this here. Yep, so now we'll duplicate this over to, we won't need it for fast because it will die instantly, so I won't put it into the fast, but this poison dart will be useful for when we have stronger enemies. So if touching bullet, still, yep, here. Now that we've got that, so let's try setting score to 250. Do that, okay. Shot by the poison darts. Do that. N. Okay. So it does that. Will it eventually kill it? Right now what it's doing is it's stopping them. So what I'll do now is I will take out this forever. So now do that. Buy this. Press N. Okay, so it still stops. Okay, so it is taking damage, but it stops. But for now, I am just going to leave it like that. So that will be all for today's episode. With poison darts added to a shop. That will be all, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye, everybody. Leave this. Once you've got the can put the back in, then